Okay, now we're gonna, this is our like startup track. We do this at every single web browsing conference we organize. And this time is even more special because we're gonna have 15 different companies presenting on stage. This is not a competition or anything. We just want them to present themselves. And probably it's gonna give you an idea, I don't know, maybe you like their solution, whatever. So 15 companies, they're gonna be presenting like 5 minutes each. We are so strict on time, so if they don't finish in 5 minutes, I'm gonna be jumping on stage and like getting them off the stage. So because like 15 times 5, that's all time we have. So I'm not gonna spend, oh God, we're already late. Okay, so the first company, behavior exchange, identifying website visitors and customizing website content to show personalized offers in real time. So come on guys, thank you. Round of applause. Thanks for coming. So stage is yours, 5 minutes, counting down.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you for the word. My name is Marian Jurenes and I'm co-founder and CEO of the project Behavior Exchange, we can see here. And my colleague Lily will present this to you. I would just need to say one sentence, and that is that after this presentation you will believe and probably agree with me that behavior exchange is something that will create a balance between the United States and North Europe, and we are going to prove that it's not only Cambridge Analytica, somebody who is misusing big data, but also that we can work in a big data projects which are competitive and even better than Google, Facebook, and Amazon. And I hope that you will join us in that journey to create one of the most successful company in the world in the future. Thank you.
And now let me tell you which problem we are solving. You know that most companies don't know who their online visitors are, so they cannot personalize their offer of products and services, and they cannot show the right content to the right people. And behavior exchange is solving exactly that, and it's a perfect solution. Companies will be able to identify online visitors, to know their personal characteristics and interests at the exact moment when they visit the website, and to show the content that actually correlates with visitors' profile. This means that you will see the content you're interested in. Companies will be able to increase sales due to better targeting, and most of all, due to better user experience of their online visitors. So for example, if a telco company wants to show different products to different customers, in our user interface tool, they will simply define which customer they would like to address and which website content is the most suitable for that customer. So with behavior exchange, I know the lady will see the offer of a really simple to use mobile phone, teenage girl a fancy phone with a gadget, and businessman will see the offer of a high-end mobile phone. So now tell me, how awesome is that? Well, I think it's brilliant. What we want to create is a BEX economy token system which will connect 1 billion visitors' profiles and 1 million companies using behavior exchange services, all connected within one single business model. So visitors, when sharing their personal data, they will be rewarded with BEX tokens. And with BEX tokens, they will be able to buy products and services from companies using behavior exchange services. And companies, when paying for our services with BEX tokens, will be rewarded with discounts. And with blockchain, we would like to create a decentralized profiling database, but to the benefit of both visitors and companies. Visitors will be invited to share their personal data, but only those data which they want to share, and with their consent, their profile will be stored on blockchain. And in the same manner, we will create profiles also for companies. The first part of the project with data profiling is already live, and we already have 1.5 million profiles already in our database. So we will launch the services in the middle of this year, then the intensive growth till the end of the year, and followed by a global expansion in next year. Now, there are some very, very smart people on board, as you can see. well-recognized and respected international advisors, and back home, some geniusly smart people from the field of development and communication. And let me give you 3 main reasons why we are so sure that our project will succeed. Number 1, behavior exchange is not an idea on paper, but a working platform with already 1.5 million profiles. Number 2, some companies already expressed their interest to use behavior exchange services because a beta version of our user interface tool will be available already next month. And number 3, really smart and really well-calculated token economy system. So the big announcement, our BEX pre-sale, BEX sale will commence in April and May. And since without you, there is no us, come on, use this one-of-a-kind opportunity. Visit behavior.exchange and whitelist now. Thank you.